Hi, Murray Therapy families. Today we're going to make some squeeze-a-loons. A squeeze-a-loon is a therapy tool that we use to help kids that, they like to have their hands on everything. They like to be touching people or touching them, using their fingers up their nose and things like this, or just like to fidget with things. They also like to grab their siblings or the dog or whatnot. And for slightly older children, it's like, hey, here's something you can use your hands. You can actually increase and help the intrinsic muscles in your fingers that are good for school. It's a good thing too, because everyone's doing the homeschooling thing right now, to have something in your hands while you're transitioning in between activities and whatnot. So in order to make the squeeze-a-loon, we're going to need balloons, and I'm highly recommending that we get 12-inch helium-grade balloons. And the reason for that is that they just last a little bit longer, and they will pop, especially with sharp fingernails. But everything can be either picked up or vacuumed up pretty quickly. So we're gonna need a balloon. We're gonna need, this is just a water bottle that's been cut in half. You have to be careful about the edge with younger kids and stuff, just to make sure this isn't too sharp. We'll need a spoon. Today we're gonna make some out of flour and some out of some beans we have here. So I'm going to ask the child. I'm going to say, you would like to make a red one or green one today, Sarah? And Sarah's going to say she likes to make green. So I'm going to take the balloon, take the end of the bottle, and I'm going to slide the balloon right over the end. Then I'm going to take the flour here, and we're going to put this in, and I tell kids just put a little bit in at a time, because the flour usually goes down kind of slow. Children 5 years, under 5 years of age, are probably going to need a little bit of help with this. I think the other kids, should be able to do this a little more independently. So you shake the flour down, shake, shake, shake. It's a good bilateral thing, activity using two hands. Flour's just going a little slow today, and it's a good modulation thing, because we only need to put a little bit in at a time, John. And we're going to go, and basically I'm trying to get I got the flour filled up just about where the neck of the balloon is, and a little bit more here. There we go. And then we're going to slide this off. I encourage parents, it's flour, it cleans up pretty well. But I usually use a cooking sheet with the kids in therapy room. And we just tie a quick knot. Voila, we have our own squeeze-a-loon. For creative folks, you can draw faces on here. And when you do, faces will smile at you. I have other kids doing other creative games with these and things like this and rolling them around. And the same kind of thing goes. I'll say to the next child, we're going to make a red one or a yellow one. And they're going to choose yellow because it's color sunshine. But the sunshine one ripped a little bit, so we're going to make it out of red. We'll get the red one on, and we're going to put the red one on like this. And now it's going to be a little bit easier because the beans are a little bit heavier. We can shake those down. This is kind of a good activity now because everybody's at home, and I'm looking for a brain break, or I'm looking for an activity in between school, or just an activity in general, and this is kind of neat. Some of our older kids in therapy, they're a little more entrepreneurial. They'll make these, and I'll say, well, you can go to the store and buy these for 72 balloons for $9. And I said, you can buy some flour for a couple of dollars. And I said, you can get a plastic bottle. And I said, you can go and sell them for $1 a piece at on the corner market or at school, and then you'll make everybody super happy. So here's one with the beans, and you can use other things. We've used cornstarch, and we use sand, and we use a bunch of other things. But here's just something simple and creative that kids can do on their own. Thank you for watching.